Okay, everybody, here we have another update on our demolition progress on the 2002 j4500 being converted from a coach bus into a motorhome. As you can see, up in the ceiling, all the overhead bins are gone. Almost all of the insulation is gone, with the exception of these curved pieces on the corner, which are going to take a little bit of effort to take out. Basically going to be pulling tiny little chunks out because they're really glued in well. Also, along the right hand side here, you can see the insulation is completely gone up front, as well as the aluminum rail and the carpeted trim panels. And on the floor you can see the aluminum rail, which has been cut into a couple of pieces so that I can get it outside the door. Along the back here, we've pretty much gotten the bathroom completely removed. It was, let's just say, unpleasant. Essentially, they put a large composite tank down into that hole, and then they spray foam it in. And it was put there in 2002. So it wasn't the prettiest. But at any rate, it's out. Very happy about that. And that is the bottom of the handicap door. And now you're looking up the passenger side of the bus at the side which is next to be removed. Carpeting panels are coming off. Aluminum rail is coming off, as well as that bottom duct underneath the aluminum rail, which is where the heat and air conditioning runs. Coming up in a future video, we're going to be getting rid of the driver's air conditioning, which lives in there for now, which is coming out. I have gotten a lot of the secondary wiring removed from this area above the driver's console. Basically, all the wiring that's left now is MCI wiring. All the audio cables, video cables, etc. have been removed. Also, while we're in here, I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at some of the tools that I've gotten to do this project with that I think have come in real handy. First off, we've got these nice little step stools from Harbor Freight. They're about 13 inches high. They're rated at 300 pounds. They're very nice for working on anything above the windows because you could look at the ceiling instead of up at the ceiling. Definitely a neck saver. This shop vac I got on Amazon, and as it says on the label, it is a beast. It has been a tremendous help. These buses are extremely dirty inside, and it's been great to use that to just pick up basically everything. This toolbox here is another Harbor Freight item. It's not big enough to hold every tool that you're going to need to work on the bus, but it's definitely big enough to hold the tools that you're currently using, keep them organized, and it's also small enough where you can wheel it around and get in and out of things while you're working on the bus. The last tool that I got specifically for this project is this light. It's rated at 10,000 lumens. It's very nice and bright, and it does a great job of lighting things up inside the bus. Because the windows are tinted, anything short of a completely sunny day, and you really do need a little extra light if you're working on anything tight. And that's the video for today. Thank you for watching. I'd also like to thank all the new people that have subscribed, and encourage anybody who's watching these videos and wants to get updates on future videos to click the like and subscribe button. You know how that goes. Thank you very much.